Poor dog saved by Alaina Rosenblatt. Meet Raichu. A little bit about him. Riachu is as close to perfect as you can get. All dogs of all personalities are perfect to me. However, I know that there are certain dogs that do better in foster houses and are easier. Riachu is very gentle, very quiet, always wags his tail and smiles, zero negative reaction to any person or animal.
Okay, so Riachu just got out of the Bark Animal Shelter.
He is just super happy and super content. He knows basic commands already, and will sit when you give him a treat or put his leash on.
There he goes. And he just... Look at that good boy. Coming with me to South Padre Island. And he's going to celebrate his new life. This is what it's all about. Thank you for everybody that supports Fairy Tale.
Riachu gets his first puppy latte from Starbucks. Riachu is settled in for the night. Please let me know if you are interested in making this beautiful dog a part of your family. He's so wonderful.
South Padre Island.
Please contact Alaina Rosenblatt if you can.